Hey guys, it's me again, Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. And the unit we're demonstrating this time comes from my friends at Auto Physicians Incorporated. They are located in Maryville, Tennessee. And to any customers in Tennessee who need work done on their classic car, this company has chosen to come to the best 8-track repairman in the world, the only one who has motors and new preamps to bring out the trouble lost with old tapes and all that kind of silly stuff. So this customer has requested a modern internal conversion to FM using the original connectors, which is just fine, except you don't get that huge increase in output power. And the good news, you don't have to replace your speakers with more powerful ones. So let's go ahead and turn it on. I have it set to the one AM station I get in my area.
From low interest rates and easy money, etc., because they all have assets invested in the stock market.
Check our balance control, make sure we got both speakers. Balance left.
Benefit because they
balance
want
right.
to buy votes, right? So they're out there giving them this, that, and the other.
So now we're going to switch to FM. Now that we've confirmed that both all speakers are working. To go to between AM and FM, you just turn it off and then right back on within about half a second. So here we go. Off on. Okay, now we're on FM. So we'll just go. I got to keep the songs really, really short, so they don't nail me for copyright.
He probably was surprised himself.
Women, do you think that they're
about anything we've talked about, but especially as we get back in.
But if I'm
gonna stick to my
6 degrees is the
for people of all ages.
ladies.
The Daily Reader's Choice Awards. Once again, you voted.
Okay, now we're going to try the 8-track. Got some Neil Sedeka here. Gonna switch tracks a bunch of times. Alrighty, gonna pull the tape. Radio comes back. Okay, let's turn it off and make sure that the dial light is working. You may not see it. Yeah, you can just barely see it turning on and off under my hand there. It's it's just basically a soft blue glow. It's not really like a bright light. So that takes care of everything. The entire unit's in fully functional working order. Thank you very much for your business. To my friends at Auto Physicians Incorporated at Maryville, Tennessee. Thank you for watching and listening, and we'll see you guys next time.